Understanding Growler Fill, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very specific phrase in English, Growler Fill. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it in conversation. By the end of this video, you'll be familiar with this term and ready to use it like a native speaker. Before we understand Growler Fill, we need to know what a growler is. A growler is a glass, ceramic, or stainless steel jug used to transport draft beer. They are commonly sold at breweries and brewpubs as a means to sell takeout craft beer. The growth of the craft beer trend has popularized the growler in recent years. So, what does growler fill mean? Simply put, it refers to the action of filling up a growler with beer at a brewery or a beer filling station. It's a way to enjoy fresh draft beer at home or share it with friends. Now, let's see how to use growler fill in a sentence. You might hear someone say, "I'm going to the brewery for a growler fill of their new IPA." Or, "Does this place do growler fills?" when asking if a brewery offers this service. And that's a wrap on Growler Fill. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a growler fill is and how you can talk about it. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase is a step forward. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.